chiquito hacer pa' mi placa. Balota mi mita mata. Satanás se que
Yo, what is up, YouTube? How's it going with y'all, man? How's it going? Hope you guys having a great day like I am. Yeah. You know what it is. So, what are we getting into today? It's very simple. Since the missus is not here and she left me with her car and she been nagging me or been really upset that her previous LED or HID setup. It's basically short. The car had first LED and HID in it, but because of some, don't want to get into it now. The first set didn't. It's out. No, yeah, don't work no more. Had to put the normal, yellow bulbs, and she been like all upset that her spotlight is a white and opposite yellow. So today I'm gonna install new set of LEDs, but this new set is much better than what she had previously, because the first set is the LED is bright, but it doesn't have bright or dim, only have dim. When you switch to bright, it's basically stay the same. So I bought a set that has dim and bright, and the dude tested it for me and showed me the normal dim is bright enough. As in, it was so bright. If I from this distance, it's so bright, I literally have to close my eyes, so or cover my eyes. But when it switched to bright, you can literally see the difference. So now we're gonna install it. But first, let me show you guys the merchandise. So yeah, guys, this is the LED. So this is the type. Here are the LEDs. Oh yeah, because the first ones didn't have this. I think it's some kind of resistor or something. Didn't have it. Matter of fact, wait just a moment. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. Yeah, these are the ones that were in it. See how they didn't have what they have, and you can clearly see. Oh, it's a big difference. Big difference. So it's gonna be one hell of a. Oh, and yeah, it comes with instructions. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, you can remove these clips, put them inside the hole, like here. So you don't need to put the entire bulb in it and then try to fill it, because some cars, like the car I'm working on, my girl's car, it's a Toyota 2008 Vitz. It's very, very compact. So this is gonna make it easier. See, you remove this, put it inside the hole, hold it tight with the clip. Then you just slide the bulb in, turn it, lock it, or just push and lock, plug it in, and you're golden. So yeah. But I'm gonna wait for the sun to dim a little, because it's not even funny. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for the sun to calm a little bit, and so I can work on the car a little bit more. Yeah. And also by the comparison I just did, it's way different. And with the place I bought it, the difference between this bolt and the other one is like a 10 gallon difference. So the quality is a little bit better. The bolts a little bit more better. So quality is, and there's more. It's even more better quality, more better quality of those blades, meaning better quality, meaning a little bit more pricey, but more quality. Yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling too much. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the sun to go down a little so I can start working on the car. Cause trust me, this is like the third time I'm gonna work on the changing the bolts. So yeah, and trust me, you gotta have to remove the whole headlight and stuff, man. But car stop, I love working it, and I'm love showing you guys. If you guys ever have a Toyota Vitz, whatever you guys want to try it or change it. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I decided, you know what? I'm bored. Didn't want to wait that much for the sun to drop, so I decided, stop messing with this. So yeah, in short, I'm gonna explain. There's a bolt. There's this first bolt, 10 millimeter. This clip, and you gotta remove this bumper. And behind it, there's another bolt, a 10 millimeter bolt you have to remove to get this whole headlight pulled off, so you can get, I don't know how well you guys can see it. See there? Pull it out. This part is hard because it's got the fuse box. It got everything all in there. From the other side, it's very simple. So yeah, I'm gonna try my best to record, but I highly doubt it since I'm recording by myself. And the best I can do is when I got this out, also this out, and show you guys, when it's out, change the bulbs, and when I test when the bolts, well, I already know the bolts are working, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. I'm gonna show you guys when the bolts are in, how to, when the clip is in, the bolt is in, all back together, and wait until it's a little darker. Show you guys how it's done. Yeah. So let's get this done. This bulb is just normal bolt out. So what I mean by this piece removes, it's in there. I don't know how well you guys can see it. If this thing will focus, it's in there. It's all up. Now I just need to put the bulb in. Now with this grommet protects against water, dirt, and all stuff. So yeah, gotta pass the plug right through it, connect the bulb, and put it in, turn it, lock it. This side is done. So let me show you guys real quick. So yeah, guys, it's all done, plugged up, tucked in, grommet's on. It's all in. I don't know how well you guys can see it. This camera will focus, but this is done. This side is done. Now just to plug up everything up and move to the other side. The other side is way easier. It's a bit more room. So I'm gonna put everything back together, and I'm gonna wait for the sun to, die down a little bit. So yeah, let's get this. Let's get it. Yeah, all done. The other side is done. Thumbed up. I'm gonna start the car I don't know where you guys gonna see the difference, but yeah. Yeah. See? That's normal. Let's see, right. Eat up. Yeah. Now it looks now. So yeah, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me, installing those LED bulbs, LED hub bulbs. Yeah. So this is gonna do for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like on this video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. If you leave a comment, share with your friends. Hope if some of you guys are watching this video, searching whatever, hope you guys find this a little informative to how to change your head bolts. It's practically the same. It's for Toyota Vitz to Yaris from 2005 all the way up to 2009. It's practically the same. So yeah. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Probably next, I'm gonna try to get some more content out for the stylet, for the stylet, and the flanges are already cut. Just need to weld. Just need to see where everything's gonna put. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Maybe I'll do something with the fits or anything. But I'm gonna try to get some content out. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys. Peace.